Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hartman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you what will happen if you do not place your if you do not calculate your risk margin. What exactly would happen? To answer this, it is obvious that if you do not use risk margin or calculate your take profits and you do your risk management, you'll definitely blow up your account. Now that's for sure. Now let me show this to you by an example. Now I have this particular stock over here. Now you can see, let's say you've bought the stocks over here at this level. Let me zoom in. At this level, let's say over here, you've purchased the stocks over here. Now let's say, by the assumption that it will move forward, it did. Then a small correction, you say, it's just normal, it's just a correction, and you are right. Again it moved upward, but this time it starts bouncing, and then it moved in the lower direction. Now over here, as you've bought over here, this place, at this area, you are probably going to sell those stocks that you have bought at that place, and it's time to short your position here. But if you this you can do in the case that when you have calculated your risk margin properly. Although if you did, you are going to sell your stocks over here at this level. When it reached maybe this level or somewhere here, whatever, it depends upon you where you place your margin or your stop loss. Now over here, when you haven't sell those stocks, it eventually will come down, and you will definitely blow up your account if you have invested all of your money in this stock. Now over here, as you see, when the stocks start to come down, the best strategy is that you short your position over here. Even if you're shorting your position, you'll have to place your risk margin. You'll have to calculate your risk margin of what will be your risk margin, so you do not lose much of your account. The purpose of doing this is, when you place a risk margin, like when you calculate a risk margin, when let's say you've bought it over here and the stocks are moving in the upward direction, by the assumption that it will move even further, and instead of moving further, it starts to come down. So let's say you bought it over here and your stop loss is over here, so you're going to sell it over here to not lose much of your account. And also, the main reason for this is what I consider is, so it gives you an opportunity to get out of that stock and invest that amount into another stock, which will give you much more profit than this one. So that is the main reason of why I think risk margin is great. Now I will show you what I did in the beginning. I've bought stocks over here. It moved in the upward direction as usual. When it shows this candlesticks, I said no problem. Again over here, no problem, it's just a correction, it will come back. Up till this point, it give me 1,000 rupees worth of profit, 1,000+ rupees worth of profit. But it start to come down, and I have closed my position over here, giving me 200 rupees profit. Now how much profit did I lost? Like, how much profit I haven't gained? 800 rupees. I'm calculating this in PKR, Pakistani rupees. So I am just telling you that it may be something like $8 to $10, something like that, maybe $6. So it lost me that much money over here. But at that time, I didn't have any experience. Now I know what to do and how to trade in the stock market. So that is the benefit of using a risk margin. If you do not use a risk margin, do not calculate it, and jump blindly into a stock, then you'll definitely get slipped and um, fall down. So that's what you can do. And so it is an important factor in relating to trading in the stock market. So you'll definitely calculate your risk margin. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.